Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to reset your VIVO phone. Today I would like to show how you can reset a VIVO phone. There are two ways you can initiate the factory reset process. The first way, launch settings, enter the system category, go to reset options and select erase all data factory reset. Type erase all data to confirm your choice, and the hard reset process will be initiated. After it completes, you'll be greeted with the initial setup menu. The other way, if you cannot get to settings or your screen is password locked, you can initiate this process from recovery menu. To enter recovery menu, power your device off, then simultaneously hold the power and volume up buttons until the VIVO logo appears. You'll enter the fast boot menu. From here, go to recovery menu using volume rocker and power key as controls. From here, go to clear data. You can either clear cache or clear all data. Obviously, go for clear all data. Hit the OK button. Prior to factory resetting, make sure to back up all data you don't want to lose, since the hard reset formats the internal storage. As you can see, the factory reset was performed successfully. Restart the device. After the phone restarts, you'll be greeted with the initial system setup. Here's the starting page of initial system setup. Choose a language you'd like and manage accessibility settings. Select your location or region. Accept the terms and agreements. Connect to Wi-Fi or use the offline setup option. You can transfer apps and data from your old phone or skip this step. The instructions provided are clear and comprehensive. You can either log into your Google account or skip this step. Most steps can be kept and returned to later. Copying data, Google account sign-in, and Wi-Fi connection are all optional, but connecting to the internet makes setup easier. The system suggests locking your screen with a screen lock method. You can choose pattern, PIN, complex password, or biometrics like face and fingerprint recognition. I'll skip the screen lock stage for now. You can set up Google Assistant and Google Pay for contactless payments via NFC. You can add another email account, customize the interface, and review additional apps. Accept app permissions and service recommendations. Select system navigation type, 3-button navigation or gestures. The setup is complete and you can start using your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.